This here is an extreme situation caused by settling, where a simple hinge adjustment just wouldn't cut it. Join me as I adjust this door to set it right. My first step was to note which part of the door frame was out of square. That tells me that it's high on the right and low on the left. The door frame is so out of square that the door won't even close. I'll usually remove the center hinge first, then the bottom, and then the top, and reassembling in the exact opposite order. Taking the door off usually makes adjusting a lot easier. I felt it necessary to straddle the doorway in this case because the floor was so unlevel. And when using a pump jack, everything should be level. When measuring your 2x4s for jacks, cut them a little short just so you don't have to fight to get them in. Using a level is critical in ensuring that everything is plumb to avoid injuries. When using a jack on a structure, go slow and pay attention with all your senses, or listening for creaks or even nails popping. So I've raised it up to the right level. I have it sitting on a 2x4 at the bottom. I'm using GRKs to fasten it in place. Backing out the screw in the strike jamb actually causes an adjustment in the door frame, making the door close much better. You might notice the siding is bunk. Well, the client said they'd take care of it. Ta-da!